High wind warning. There are several high wind warnings currently in effect across different regions. Here are some key details. Central North Carolina. A high wind warning is in effect from AM to PM on Sunday, with gusts up to 55 miles per hour expected. Widespread power outages and difficult travel conditions are anticipated. Bay Area, California. A high wind warning is in effect until Friday morning, with southwest winds of 25 to 35 miles per hour and gusts up to 60 miles per hour possible. Damaging winds could down trees and power lines, and travel could be extremely hazardous. Los Angeles County, California. A high wind warning is in effect from Thursday AM until Friday AM, with southwest winds of 25 to 35 miles per hour and gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles.